In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a report to favorites for quick access. This is a quick technique that makes your most important reports just a click away, so you don't have to dig through menus every time you need them. Start on your main dashboard and look to the left sidebar. Find the option labeled Reports. This is the central hub where all of your available reports live. Go ahead and click Reports to open the full list. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover over it or expand it so you can see the labels clearly. Once you're on the Reports page, locate the specific report you use often. A common example is the Profit and Loss report, but this works the same way for any report in the list. You can scroll through the categories or use the search bar at the top of the Reports page to type the report's name. As soon as you spot the report you want, pause for a moment to confirm it's the correct one by checking the title and, if shown, its description. This ensures you're favoriting the exact report you rely on. Next, look for the small star icon displayed beside the report's name. This star is your shortcut to turning the report into a favorite. Click the star once. When the star becomes filled or highlighted, it means the report has been successfully marked as a favorite. If clicking doesn't seem to work right away, give it a second or make sure you're clicking directly on the star icon. Also, if your window is very narrow, you may need to widen it slightly to see the star clearly. Now, head to the top area labeled Favorite Reports. This section appears at the top of the Reports page and collects all the reports you've starred. You should now see the report you just marked, such as Profit and Loss, listed there. This confirms that the report is saved for quick access. From now on, when you open reports, your favorites are front and center, saving you time and keeping your workflow focused on the metrics that matter most. That's it. By clicking Reports, finding the report you need, starring it, and then using the Favorite Reports section at the top, you've ensured that your key reports are always within easy reach. This small setup step pays off every day you work with your numbers,